Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2011 GMC Sierra 1500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and cruise control. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, OnStar, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.